Yeah, hi guys, welcome back. Yes, welcome back with this last puzzle, the last puzzle in this additional, not in 2 days, well, today it's Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, not in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, September the 24th. We don't receive, yeah, I've told you, we don't receive any newspaper on Sunday. And in the yesterday's newspaper, we have no additional, no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Tuesday edition. Tuesday, September the 20th, 2022. We have 3 puzzles left. The first 2 puzzles I've already done. The letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. And now it's time for the Tectonic. Yes, Tectonic fans. We have here a Tectonics. In Dutch, they call it Cijferblok. And in Japanese, it's the Suguru. Suguru with 1 star. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 1 star. And this will be number, I believe, 5230. Yes, 5230. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 21 printed digits. Well, if this is not an easy one, then I will be crazy. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here in the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Always a 1. Following question, duo boxes. Do we have duo boxes here? I see here duo box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also duo box contains the 1 and the 2. Cannot fill this yet. Need more information. Then the following question, triple box. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? Scan. No triple boxes. Quadruple boxes then. Do we have quadruple boxes in this puzzle? No quadruple boxes. Well. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more in this puzzle? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? This is upside down, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Let me check. No, only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, only 2 of them. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area. Shape should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So we have a double 2 here. That means that this box can't be a 2 anymore. Because if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be there, and the 1 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. And can be a 4. So, yeah, definitely a 5. Then let me see. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. That's not helping me. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 4. But we already have a 4 there. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay, so this can be 4. Then let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Need a 2 here. Okay. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 3, but also this box can be a 1. We have a 1 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 1 digit left in this cross area shape for the number 2. So these 2 boxes can be 2, and those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So this can be 2, okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So the other 2 numbers in this area should be the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. That means we have a double 5 here. I cannot place the 5 here. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. And that box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1, it goes there. Then these three boxes surround the one, can be a one. So one box left for the one, should be here. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, and cannot be a 5. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So definitely a 3. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay, we go up. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. Then. Let me see. Think. 1 and a 5. 1, 3, and a 5. Come on, it's taking too long. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And a 3 could be everywhere, here or there. Here can be a 3. 2 and a 3. Well, 2 and a 5. Overlook something. This box, I think it should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. Let me mark those 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. Oh, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Overlook this 3. Alright. 1 and a 5. Well, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5. We have a 5 now, so it can't be 5 anymore. So this box should be a 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. 2 numbers left. The 2 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 here because we have a double 5 there. So this box should be a 2. So 1 box left in this area for number 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. Thank you again for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudokus. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudoku, a.k.a. quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for playlist. Thank you for watching. We will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Monday, new day, new week, new puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we'll meet again tomorrow real soon. Yeah, see you tomorrow. If I have the spare time in the evening, I will do a samurai Sudoku for you. Only when I have the spare time. I cannot promise you. See you then. Bye bye for now.